They say wahala no dey finish. No be for inside Nigeria o. Country wey be say they get their own problem full for head. A lot of people are agitating that they want to leave the should I call it the marriage. And this same country is going to United Nations and seeking for another country to get their independence from Israel. No be juju be that. My people, more on judge this matter. They say the vice president wey they call Shetima don carry him 2 leg waka go for the United Nations, go dey talk for the Palestinian people, say make they get their total freedom. I will play you the video, may you watch. But a lot of people don react regarding the video wey our brother wey dey call Nsonkwa do. I no know wetin dey for the video, but I want make you judge am by your own self. Now I'm going to play the video, make you hear wetin Nsonkwa talk before we go jump for another one. Stay tuned and watch the video. My people, I want use this opportunity to tell una thank you for the account why I create new. All of una follow me, we hit 5k. The account they grow, they go. But as I dey talk now, ndo me come, they don't go report the account and the account they don't carry and go down. But however, we still dey look, we go bring another one come up. They go tire. You see, when you start to talk things concerning, especially concerning Biafra, especially concerning the Igbo people, your people, you go see people who go attack you for no reason, say you no do anything, but we go win all of them. Watch this video and leave your own contribution regarding wetin Nsonkwa talk concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Stay tuned.
A very quick one. Yesterday in Abuja High Court here, Nnamdi Kanu mere ka the judge mara kpọmkwem na enwere confidence in ebe the judge no. And of course, it is his right. And you are not confident with Otu, the judge should handle the case. You have the right to say, I am no longer interested in this judge handling my case, because say reassign the case. It is your fundamental human right. So that was exactly what happened yesterday. And of course, I want to tell you that all this while, the judge, because that woman atala na this case. This case, you know, as a woman, she understands, and as a human being, and as a trained judge, she knew the boundaries, you know, of the law and other things. Given the situation and giving other verdicts on this particular matter in Nigerian court, or not outside court, in Nigerian court, you know. So, but to me, I believe that her hands were tied. I believe that that woman's hand was tied because DA na nwa ya nwoke Kanazaz is alleged DA governor on the Adamawa state. You know, so DA, as we are saying, is still in prison. Nwa ya nwoke, the same thing, and they are still, you know, I can pay the not governor on the Adamawa. So when you look at these things, you find out that as a mother and other pressures, external and internal, may even be making the woman not to really, she's a human being, you know. So I better make it that woman, honestly. I better make it there. Because she handle that case. She get here, man. Probably because of these things mentioned now. And I am happy that she hands off the case. I am happy. Kamanya Zuike. Adola this woman vam na this case. And the Orupano onye de Nnamdi Kanu mana right ya. Nnamdi Kanu could that no Nigerian court has this thing to try him. Uno chipe Pogania UK can try ya na UK. You know, Pogania send him to UK where you said he committed a crime. Can the court in UK try higher? Or the UK government can write to Nigerian government and say the government of UK is now authorizing the Nigerian court to try Nnamdi Kanu according to the constitution of Nigeria. So you cannot try him in a country where he did not commit the crime. That was the only thing Nnamdi Kanu was. And again, Nnamdi Kanu wasn't the woman because when he do this woman actually entirely. So Nnamdi Kanu was demanding now all those things only selective kind of so And because the woman, according to Nnamdi Kanu, actually made such things, near lose go confidence, near was in trust, they the woman, so they the judge. So, you see her hands are off the case. You know, Judge Ejidikwe, why your hands are off the case. Even when the prosecutor of the federal government was insisting that the judge will continue. In a force, matter force. Why are you forcing the judge? Why you mother tala on this case? Why you mother tala on this? If you know what I'm saying, all my hands are off, come back. All my hands are off, come back. Because I can't say to her punya. You court to give, they keep the person the same court to this man for long. But what court to give can they use? I say, I got top here, I get belly, I got me on a bed, this and that and this. So one again one them. We are talking of external pressures now. We are talking of we on a phone before you got caught to them the county. Mama, we on a phone, man, we on a phone. See, to take when I dig on a cell, to take when I dig on a prison, to take where I need to take this and that. Why you guys come so nobody should blame her. Nobody should blame her. Allow that woman to breathe. Assign the case to another judge. Let the matter continue. It's a simple matter. Let it continue. So I want to say that the judge Abaleala, adore that woman vam in this case. So I want to one name. Couldn't have people who are mad baby. Name Judge. You don't try. Make another person try one. Nnamdi Kanu, of course, I'm an right here. He took over the case from lawyer. Jiriziaki made the court address. Chai. Ohamadike Ndibo. Don't want a brain. That is why in the kind, you know, I ain't gonna me who go for. Don't think that I am a but I'm bogiru. Thank you very much indeed, bro.
My wonderful people, una don hear am o. I no know wetin dey bad for this video, but however, if you observe one or two things, drop am for comment section regarding wetin talk concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu issue. Okay, my people, I wan play the video. May he see as Shetima take carry in 2 leg waka go UN, go dey tell United Nations o, go dey tell them say the Palestinian people, Nigeria go support their freedom. Why the Biafran people and the Oduduwa they ask for their freedom for inside Nigeria so that they go dey their own and determine their future. But Nigeria are doing anything humanly possible to make sure say anybody will talk about Biafra, they bring and come down. And you don't see them. Now the same country where would they inside vice president now come out go they talk for another people own. You see this thing where they plan for this country, if it start they happen, no go be like the one where happened before, because people don't wise. Everybody for both sides don't wise. So the thing you know go be easy. It no go be easy matter. So maybe they play with the fire around. But however, I want you to watch the video before we come back. Continue.
Today, we are all witnesses to the heart-wrenching situation in Gaza and other Palestinian territories. We cannot discuss war and peace, conflicts and resolution, or humanitarian imperatives today without reflecting on the Israeli-Palestinian conflict that has been raging since 7th August last year. Of course, the conflict predates this period and has been simmering for a better part of half a century. What it tells us is that the international community has failed to live up to the spirit and aspirations of the United Nations to rid the world of inequality, violence, and domination of one people by another. Justice is antithetical to revenge. Freedom is an inalienable right and a natural entitlement that cannot be denied to any people. The Palestinian people deserve their independence. They deserve to have a home of their own in territories already recognized by this very assembly and by international law, which is being routinely ignored. Nigeria continues to urge efforts to bring back on track the two-state solution that offers the prospect for a new beginning for the region. Nigeria reaffirms to supporting United Nations peacekeeping operations. We recognize the need for Africa to build strong and professional armies to meet the multiple challenges we face. Consequently, we reiterate the call for international support to operationalize the African standby force, in addition to the provision of requisite support and resources to ensure the upgrade, take-up, and effectiveness.
My wonderful people, shebi una don hear am. Abeg make you share this video and make sure say you dey follow this channel for more updates as e dey hot.